In this video, we're going to take a look at a logarithmic differentiation question. It's a pretty typical question that would be found in a Calc 1 class. All right, it's asking us to find the derivative if our function is sine x raised to the sine x. So I'm going to first rewrite the equation so that it is y equals sine x raised to the sine x power. All right, now logarithmic differentiation says that we take the log of both sides. So I'm going to go natural log of y is equal to natural log of a sine x and then raised to the sine x. All right, now the whole point of using logarithmic differentiation is to kind of simplify this so the derivative is a little bit easier. So we're going to apply our log rules. We're going to take that sine x and we're going to jump it down in front. So then I'm going to have natural log of a y equals a sine x times the natural log of a sine x. All right, now this is going to be product rule right here. Taking the log of taking the derivative of a natural log function is really easy because that's your u prime over u. All right, so with this being the natural log of y, I'm going to use that u prime over u, so it'll be a y prime over a y when I take the derivative there. Okay, now I'm going to do sine and then times the derivative of the natural log of sine x. So again, that's a u prime over u, so we're going to have a cosine x over a sine x. All right, product rule plus natural log sine x. All right, and then times the derivative of sine there is going to be a cosine x. All right, at this point, we can do a little bit of simplifying here. We've got a sine x on top, sine x on the bottom, so we can cross those out. I'm probably going to put this cosine in front just to clean it up so that we can clearly tell what we're taking the natural log of here. We're going to have a y prime over a y is equal to a cosine x, and then plus a cosine x natural log of that sine x. Now, we need to go and solve all the way down for a y prime, so we're going to multiply both sides by y. So we'll multiply by y on this side. The y's will cross out. We will multiply this side by y as well. Now, last step here, we know what y equals. Y is equal to the sine x raised to the sine x. So without doing too much simplification to this final answer, making that replacement will get you to an equivalent correct answer. So we're going to have a y prime is equal to a cosine x plus a cosine x natural log sine x. Just writing that down again. Now replacing my y with a sine x raised to the sine x. All right, so like I said, without simplifying that answer any farther, we've clearly found that derivative. We've gotten down to a y prime. All right, making that substitution for my y, everything is in terms of x. Definitely thanks for watching. If the videos are helping, please share with your friends so they can benefit too. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks.